From Imagen 1 to Nano Banana 2, this is the evolution of Google's most important AI models and how each one changed what these systems could actually do.
Imagen 1. Released in May 2022, Google's original Imagen research model that established the foundation for the Imagen line as text-to-image generation. It takes text prompts and produces images, and it's best understood as a prompt-driven generator rather than a long context reader. Chirp. Released in May 2023, Google's universal speech model line introduced for cloud speech-to-text, built to convert audio into text across many languages with a foundation model approach. Gemini 1.0 Ultra. Released in December 2023, the original top-tier Gemini 1.0 release for highest capability in that first generation, mainly text generation with strong image understanding where supported. Gemini 1.0 Pro. Released in December 2023, the first widely deployed Gemini tier for general text workloads with multimodal understanding depending on the endpoint. Gemini Nano. Released in December 23, the on-device Gemini family built for phones and edge hardware, mainly for lightweight text features with tight hardware constraints. Gemini 1.5 Pro. Released in May 2024, the long context shift for Gemini with multimodal inputs, text, images, audio, video, and text output, built to keep very large material in view. Gemini 1.5 Flash. Released in May 2024, the faster, more cost-efficient long context sibling to 1.5 Pro, still multimodal on input with text output, tuned for scale. VO. Released in May 2024, Google's first public VO announcement as a text-to-video model, built to generate short videos from prompts, with capability details depending on the product surface. Gemini 2.0 Flash Live. Released in December 2024, the live, low-latency direction introduced alongside Gemini 2.0's multimodal live API idea, built for real-time voice and video interaction rather than slow document work. VO2. Released in December 2024, the updated VO generation released through Google's Labs tools, positioned around improved realism and stronger cinematic understanding. Gemini 2.0 Flash. Released in February 2025, the fast AgentKit era model for broad multimodal input, text, images, audio, video, with text as the typical output, designed for responsive tool-friendly workflows.
VO3. Released in May 2025. The VO step that explicitly adds synchronized audio generation alongside video in its positioning, moving beyond silent clips for many demos and workflows.
Gemini 2.5 Pro. Released in June 2025, a reasoning-forward flagship for harder multi-step work, keeping multimodal inputs with text output and long context workflows.
Nano Banana 1. Released in August 2025. The earlier consumer-facing name used in Gemini for image generation and editing aligned with Gemini 2.5 Flash Image.
VO 3.1. Released in October 2025, the VO version introduced in the Gemini API with expanded creative capabilities, continuing the direction of higher control and broader creation features. Gemini 3 Flash Preview. Released in December 2025, a Gemini 3 speed tier with multimodal inputs and text output, designed to feel fast while staying capable for complex tasks. Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview. Released in February 2026, the refined Gemini 3 reasoning flagship for complex projects and agent workflows, supporting text, images, audio, video, and PDFs as inputs with text output. Nano Banana 2. Released in February 2026, the consumer-facing name used across Gemini experiences for the newer image generation and editing capability, broadly aligned with Gemini 3.1 Flash Image as the underlying engine.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.